Hi, my name is Johnny. I'm a physical therapist. I've been working for 12 years in the rehab field and really enjoy what I do. On the side, I try to stay active by working out, running, and also playing basketball. And so about 6 months ago, I started playing basketball again and joining a basketball league that played on the weekends. And I had not played for 5+ years, so I was a little bit hesitant going in. And of course, after about 3 months, I had a pretty severe ankle sprain where I sprained both the inner and outer portion of my ankle while playing basketball. And so I was actually on crutches for about a week. It was a very humbling experience. I remember that I even had difficulty driving my car, and I had to still work, so was limping around with crutches. And at that point, it was difficult for me to tackle just the day-to-day things that I had to do. Taking care of my kids, working, even driving around. And at that time, of course, I was off basketball, being off for about 2 to 3 weeks at that time since the injury occurred. And so it was at that time that I talked to Dr. Shea, and he provided a consultation and explained the benefits of PRP and what that would do to speed up the recovery. And I was thankful for that talk because I had not really I've heard of it in the news and in terms of certain players receiving PRP overseas, but I never really heard about it being available just right here, at our doorstep here at Rejuviu. And so I was a little bit hesitant at first when he mentioned some of the benefits, but I said, what, let's give it a try. It can't hurt, and it has significant benefits in terms of improving your healing and recovery. And typically, as a physical therapist, I would have expected I would have been off for another month or so at least. So 4 to 6 weeks total, right? And having sprained my ankle both on the inner and outer portion. And so I went into Rejuviu, received my PRP treatment, and they injected both the inner portion and the outer portion of my ankle in numerous sites. And for the next few days, there was a little bit of swelling and a little bit of discomfort, but I was told to ice my ankle and to take it easy. And then after about 3 to 4 days, I was actually able to start walking on it more gingerly and more normally. And in fact, that Sunday, I was able to return back to playing basketball. So that was definitely a big deal for me, trying to go back to what I love. And I was able to go back to the court within 5 days of receiving my PRP treatment. And since then, I've been playing basketball once a week, and really enjoying the exercise and really enjoying the benefits of playing basketball. But I really credit the PRP to being instrumental in terms of helping me to accelerate the healing and bring me back to what I love to do, play basketball in a shorter amount of time. So I'm thankful for what Dr. Shea and the folks at Rejuviu have done for me. And I definitely recommend anyone who's considering PRP to give it a try, and you'll be surprised what it can do for you.